Snapmaker Silk Dual-Color PLA is a specialty filament made with co-extrusion technology, where two colors are combined side by side into a single strand of filament. Like standard PLA, Silk PLA is easy to print with and offers a similar printing experience. The difference is its stunning, silky, glossy finish that gives every print a premium look. When two colors come together, your prints can show a vivid, flowing gradient that changes with the model's contours and the lighting. That makes Silk Dual-Color PLA perfect for decorative and display models, such as vases, sculptures, character figures, and other artistic creations. In this video, we'll show you how to print with Snapmaker Silk Dual-Color PLA, explain the common color reversal issue, and share how to fix it. Silk Dual-Color PLA should be stored in a sealed, dry place. If the filament has been exposed to air for a long time, we recommend drying it before printing to get the best results. Use level 1 on snap dryer and dry it for 6 hours. If you're using another filament dryer, set it to 55 degrees Celsius and dry for 6 hours. As a PLA-based filament, Silk Dual-Color PLA doesn't need to be sealed during printing. You can load it directly onto the filament holder. The filament also supports RFID recognition, so the printer can automatically detect the filament information once it's loaded. If your printer is connected to your computer, the filament information will be synced automatically to Snapmaker Orca. If you don't see the matching filament type in the filament list, click the settings icon in the top right corner of Filament Management and import the Snapmaker PLA Silk Filament Profile. The settings in the profile have been carefully tuned based on official print tests, so you can use them right away. Models with more curved surfaces and changing angles can help bring out the full visual effect of Silk Dual-Color PLA. You can choose any model with these features, or follow along with this video and pick one from Orca's model library. After importing a model from the library, the filament profile and print settings will switch to the project presets. These presets are optimized through testing and can be adjusted further based on your needs. Change the filament for the main body to Snapmaker PLA Silk and assign different colors to other parts as needed. With U1's tool changer design, multi-material printing is faster and creates less waste, so you can use multiple filament spools without worrying about extra waste from filament changes. Open the menu next to Filament 1. You'll see the recommended print temperature of 190 degrees Celsius to 240 degrees Celsius, with 230 degrees Celsius as the default. The part cooling fan will also stay on throughout the entire print. The bed temperature can be set between 25 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius, with a default of 65 degrees Celsius. Silk Dual-Color PLA supports print speeds of up to 250 millimeters per second. For the best surface quality, we recommend setting the outer wall speed between 50 and 150 millimeters per second. Here's a useful tip. The shine of Silk Dual-Color PLA can be affected by both print temperature and print speed. By adjusting these two settings, you can fine-tune the final look of your print. If you want a more glossy finish, try lowering the outer wall speed or increasing the print temperature. For a less glossy effect, do the opposite. Now the settings are ready. You can slice the model, preview the result, and start printing. To keep the two colors in a fixed relative position, the filament is carefully aligned and wound in a strictly controlled direction during production. However, during printing, the filament may twist in some cases, causing the printed model to show color reversal or uneven color transitions. Make sure the filament stays properly aligned during loading, printing, and storage, and avoid twisting or tangling it. If you see large areas of color reversal, the extrusion gear may be too loose, allowing the filament to rotate 180 degrees during feeding. In this case, check the screw on the side of the tool head and tighten it slightly. Frequent changes in print speed can also cause pressure fluctuations inside the extruder, which may lead to filament twisting. If you've ruled out twisted filament and a loose extrusion gear, but color reversal still occurs, try setting similar speeds for the outer wall, inner wall, infill, and other print areas to reduce frequent speed changes. In addition, the automatic feeder makes the filament travel a longer path before it reaches the extruder, which can slightly increase the chance of the filament twisting inside the filament tube. If the issue still persists after checking all the above possibilities, try hanging the filament directly above the tool head. A shorter and straighter filament path can help reduce the chance of twisting. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.